It's a hotel from the movie Home Alone.
It's been a while since I watched that movie, so I don't know.
Hotel, dedicated 1907, half residential, half photo. You know Tommy Hilfiger, fashion designer? He has penthouse here. $50 million for one penthouse. He sold his penthouse after.
$50 million for what?
For one penthouse here, one apartment. But he sold his penthouse for $5 million.
Ah, he sold it, okay.
Yeah. If you'd like, it's when we finish here. You can go inside, take a picture inside. Public place, waiting for you to come to the side.
Okay. You want it?
We can.
Okay.
So it all comes in
He can drop us
35
later
minutes,
on
right?
Here. No, he will drop us
he will
here.
drop us off.
And then
Okay.
we can
Right
see
here. Yeah,
That works.
Take a 30 minutes tour.
if you want.
That works.
Behind Plaza Hotel. If you like, by Central Park, 6.2 miles for 11 kilometers, 843 acres. So you park a huge park. Whole park is handmade, made in China. I'm joking, it's not China, but the whole park is handmade on trees from New Jersey. Only big rocks was here. Did you see part of the movie Madagascar?
Yeah.
Do you remember this movie? On the right side?
The zoo.
Central Park Zoo, yeah. It was painted. It's like movie style.
I like to move it,
It's small
move it.
zoo, but
I
very
like
nice.
to move it, move it. I like to
Remember this
move it,
song?
move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it.
On the left side, you can see a bridge, small bridge. If you remember when Kevin go inside to Central Park from movie Home Alone 2. Do you remember this bridge?
I think, yeah.
Guys, I give you one stop like bonus. It's Victorian Rocks. You can go and take a picture. It's like a 2-minute stop. Very beautiful view of the city inside Central Park. Beautiful view. Right side you can see Memorial Baltus. Remember cartoon movie Baltus? Did you see this movie? Real size memorials. It was a huge dog.
Ah, we should see this movie, Balta.
Stuart Little. Did you see this movie?
Yeah.
You remember this place?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Boat racing, move control.
It was right here.
Yeah, every summer kids can bring a boat make racing here.
Oh, they do?
You know, it's like toys for big boys because fast.
Yeah, actually. When do they do that?
Bethesda Terrace and Fountain. Bethesda was created in 1862. Fountain was completed 1873. It's almost popular fountain for pictures. Downstairs you will see a beautiful tunnel from Home Alone 2. It's like this tunnel. And do you see this green ball on the roof? It's American Natural History Museum. If you remember movie United Museum.
Oh yeah.
Stiller.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah, it was shot inside. Very big museum. Dinosaurs, many. This Twin Towers building, it's San Remo. Italian designer, was 1930. A long time ago it was hotel, now it's very expensive apartments. Each floor it's one apartment. Demi Moore, Tiger Woods, Go Player, Mick Jagger musician, Bono musician, Steven Spielberg, they have apartments. Steve Jobs.
Come on, you in the back. Okay, and around here
You see gas lamp and bus station. There's murders right there.
Right on the bus station.
Yeah, and then when police coming, they ask why you did it. Big area. And if you remember old movie Wall Street with Michael Douglas, did you see this movie? Godzilla, Man in Black.
Oh, it's right in here.
Did you see Ghostbusters?
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters movie?
Ghostbusters, yeah. It's made here.
On the right side.
This building.
Do you remember this building? Marshmallow Man.
This one.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Yeah. There's the shit.
If you see it, I'm afraid of mountains. He likes to dance. I'm afraid of mountains.
Yeah.
On the left side, you remember this place?
That's
No
the
Boats
place.
Fight.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay.